take off. Hopefully it flies well. Alright, hi.
That stuff's amazing, man.
Yeah, it is. I know. I'm addicted. It's my new hobby.
So it goes 7 miles?
Yeah.
Bro, you can spy on Mustang with us.
Yeah. 7 mile range.
How many?
7.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
So, if it's out of sight, you can see it? Really?
Pretty much.
Unbelievable, man.
Yeah, it's pretty insane. Technology, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Hold on.
Next time you come back to the shop, bring it again.
Yeah, definitely.
How much,
Oh, definitely.
that way?
313 grams.
And they can pick up that camera and battery and
Yes.
everything.
2 inches.
That
two-
must be
two-
one heck of a pitch.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely the pitch is quite a bit there.
That's unbelievable.
It's like a 3 inch pitch or something like
Yeah. That is too cool, man.
That's cool.
that.
That's whack. That's wicked.
Yeah, we'll tour your
Tour the inside. All right, we'll do that.
Yeah, it'll be cool.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you ever need anything else 3D printed, let me know.
Oh, definitely. Sounds good, man.
Now I got it up and running.
Yeah, definitely. Sounds good.